Okay, one more point. I just filmed a lot of videos, and I feel cool, you know. It's very I got motivated because I'm liking it, you know. When I'm alone and when I don't film directly my face to then later mindfuck about it, it's cool. It's very nice. I can do it. Yes, it's very nice. And I noticed that I start feeling this, you know. I got a little ego boost and stuff like that. Like, oh, I'm cool, I can talk, you know, because I really wished, you know, I wished to do vlogs and talk and be spontaneous, and somehow I didn't feel ready or something. I couldn't, and now I'm doing it, and it's much better. I feel much better. And so I wanted to say that I noticed a little bit this feeling of like ego boost, or is it self-confidence, you know. Maybe in some videos I appeared like too much egoistic or something, but you know, that was not my intention. I don't know, I was just somehow spontaneous, and I will work that out, you know. I talked from me, out of me. That is me, that is who I am now, and yeah, that's the point, you know. I talk like I am like this, and I can watch videos again, and I see in self-honesty how I am really. Oh yeah, now I get the point. Yeah, that's very nice. Okay, now I know, I knew that, you know, we make vlogs and blogs so that we can see ourselves, how we really are, you know. But now I really get it. Like now I practically experienced it, and I really get it now. Yes, it's you don't really know anything if you don't try it, you know. That's it. Everything you don't try is knowledge, and that's bullshit. If you stick to what you know physically, what you've done, what you've experienced, you know, that is real, that is what you know, that is practical, and you do as what's best for all, and you do it in the breath. Yes, you breathe in and you breathe out, and you're here. No thoughts, no feelings, you're here. You do self-forgiveness if there's something comes up, and that's it. Self-corrective application, and you stay here and you do what's best for all. Common sense, you know. And it's actually very cool, because you cannot do, you know, if you use your mind and think, oh, you know what, all the things you could do, you know, you could do in your mind, you know, you're imagining it, it's overwhelming, you know, it's so much things it needs to be done, and it's, oh my god, you know. But when you're here, it's very easy, very simple. 1 plus 1 equals 2. You only can do so much in one breath, and that's it, and that's enough, and that is cool. That is so simple. It's so simple. That's very nice. Okay, this is it. Thank you very much. Enjoy.